Found your milk na? Where's your... Do we have your milk? Ah, wala yung ano? Oo nga eh, soya milk.
I'm not allergic to soy milk. Again, little ice. Little ice.
Nagkaraw doon siya.
Tired ka na? Big ice, oh big ice, big cheeks. You look just like your father, except the eyes.
Like Harry Potter.
You're tired na, my love? Bye, Ken Ken.
You're doing Minecraft? It can be offline ba?
Yeah, Minecraft can be offline. Depending on what.
I ordered ginger ale.
Oh,
I hope it will help my throat. Kasi yan, tapos akin to. Yeah, so I'll transfer.
well, this doesn't taste so. It doesn't taste that bad. Paper straws, yes, yes. You said I have a hard time getting this paper straw.
Baka I told Pop sila.
Oh, no wonder it doesn't taste.
So how is it?
Same flavor, same taste. Okay.
Same taste.
Thing. 100 house.
Yeah, we haven't tried this, no?
Yeah.
Why are there more people in the Porch Coffee than this?
Looks smaller.
Kasi they have salad, power bowls. They have healthy wraps pala kayo na eh.
You could try here next time.
Ito yung may pilates and yoga. It's better than having no people at all because of calamities or war or something.